What if I told you there's one thing every American retiree sees during retirement, but only once? And once it's gone, it never comes back. Because for folks like Mark and Susan from Tampa, Florida, this moment came and went faster than they ever imagined, and it changed their retirement forever. But we'll come back to their story in a minute. Right now, across America, retirees are waking up to a harsh, new financial reality. According to the Wall Street Journal, inflation is still eroding purchasing power, even with recent interest rate changes. Prices are not dropping back down, they're just climbing slower. Meanwhile, over 40% of economists now believe a recession is likely within the next 12 months. And while the stock market seems calm on the surface, volatility is simmering underneath. Bank collapses last year may have faded from the headlines, but the cracks in the system are still there. So, what is the one moment you only see once? It's the brief window before the storm hits, the moment when you still have time to protect your retirement savings before they lose value. That's the moment Mark and Susan recognized. Mark was a retired Air Force mechanic. Susan taught elementary school for 32 years. They weren't millionaires, but after decades of careful saving, they had just over $510,000 spread across their 401ks and IRAs. When bank failures started making headlines last year, Susan had a gut feeling. "We've worked too hard to watch this all vanish," she said. That's when they did something that most retirees haven't even considered. They rolled over a portion of their retirement, about $275,000, into a gold IRA. And no, they didn't buy into some flashy free silver deal. They just wanted peace of mind. Today, their accounts are still growing, but more importantly, they sleep at night. They're not checking the stock market every morning. Their nest egg is truly diversified, and it all started with a free guide. That's the same free gold IRA guide you can get today. No pressure, no obligation. Just straight education. Here's the thing most people miss. Your 401k or traditional IRA is likely overexposed to paper assets, stocks, bonds, mutual funds. And when the next major market downturn hits, you could be in for a rude surprise. But with a gold IRA, you legally roll over part of your existing retirement account into physical gold and silver, stored securely outside the banking system. It's a move thousands of retirees are making, not because they're gold fanatics, but because they believe in protecting what they've already earned. So if you're 55 or older, if you've got at least $100,000 saved in an IRA or 401k, this is your moment. Don't wait until after the crash. Don't wait until your buying power has already been cut in half. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide. It comes with a short one-on-one call with an expert who's not there to sell you, just to answer your questions and see if this fits your situation. Remember Mark and Susan? They didn't wait for permission. They trusted their instincts, protected what they earned, and now they're focused on family, travel, and legacy, not headlines. This is your once-only moment, the window that closes before you even realize it's open. Grab the free guide, get the facts, protect what you've worked your whole life to build, because no one else is going to do it for you.